Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix TikTok comments not showing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So firstly, let me show you here. I'm connected with Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to open my TikTok here. As you can see guys, I am connected with Wi-Fi, and let me show you here are the comments. Now it's showing here some comments. If you notice that TikTok is not giving you notification for your comments, then you have to go to your profile and just simply go to your privacy setting, and then you have to select comments at everyone, and after that TikTok will send you a notification of comments. Okay guys, and if these comments are not showing, then it means you don't have package in your sim, like this guys. As you can see guys, I'm not connected with the internet. Let me show you here. Videos open but comments are not opening here, like this. It means you don't have package in your phone. Okay guys, so firstly what you need to do is just simply make sure that you have package in your phone and you are connected with Wi-Fi, and after that make sure that if it's showing or not. If it's still not showing, then what you need to do is just simply open App Store or Play Store, and then you have to make sure that you have updated version of TikTok. If you have and still it's not showing, then what you need to do is just simply open setting first and your iPhone or Android phone. If you have Android phone, then you have to open apps after that. If you have iPhone, then you have to open general, and after that you have to open iPhone storage. Okay guys, and if you have Android phone, then you have to open apps, and then you have to search for TikTok, like this. And after that you have to offload the app from your iPhone, and if you have Android phone, then you have to clear cache or clear storage. And after that what you need to do is just simply restart your device and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if a problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply remove the app from your device, and after that you have to restart your device again, and then you have to reinstall the TikTok and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if was is there, then it means TikTok server is down. So how can you check this? Just simply search for TikTok down detector. So from here what you need to do is just simply wait for a while and just simply tap on first one. As you can see guys, it's open. So make sure that from here, if TikTok server is not down, if TikTok server is down, then you have to wait till it's fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.